Hi, this course, Parts of Speech Made Simple, by Dr. Victor G. Tevis is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. You're watching video 18 that discusses adjectives. You may visit our YouTube channel to view other videos. Definition of adjectives. Adjectives are descriptive words that help us create pictures, in our minds, about nouns or pronouns. Many adjectives are coined by adding the following suffixes to a noun or verb: able, less, full, ish, al, ed, and e. Examples: able, affordable, comparable, adorable, convertible, submersible, responsible, less, topless, flawless, odorless, full, beautiful, careful, handful, adventurous, glamorous, dangerous, ish, greenish, boyish, childish. More examples. Under the suffix al, we have cultural, political, verbal. Under the suffix ed, we have beloved, aged, blessed. And under the suffix e, we have witty, soapy, and speedy. Descriptive adjectives tell us about the kind, color, size, texture, shape, taste, smell, sound, and looks of nouns and pronouns. She is a very charming girl. The red car is mine. Some people enjoy spicy food. Limiting adjectives will tell us which one, how many, and how much. These are also called pronominal adjectives, because these are pronouns used as adjectives. Examples: that car, under the tree, is ours. These toys, on the table, belong to this kid. Several supporters rallied for the president. Only a few guests arrived. A little knowledge is dangerous. The definite adjective, da, and the indefinite adjectives, a and n, are called articles. The definite article, the, points out a specific object. The indefinite articles, a and an, do not point out a specific object. Examples: the bus is late again. A particular bus. I'm waiting for a bus. Any bus. Proper adjectives. These are adjectives, derived from proper nouns, and begin with capital letters. Examples: American dream, Chinese cuisine, Japanese garden, Italian spaghetti, Hawaiian dance. When possessive pronouns my, his, its, our, their, and your precede and modify nouns in the sentence, they are used as adjectives. Examples: my dog chased his cat. Its color suits our requirements. Their religion is different from your religion. As a rule, an adjective is placed before the noun or noun equivalent being modified. When two or more adjectives precede a noun, the following order may be followed. First, indefinite, definite, demonstrative, possessive. Second, numeral. Third, quality, and/or size, and/or color. Fourth, other noun. Fifth, noun. Position of adjectives in the sentence. Take note of how each word is positioned as discussed in the previous slide. Comparison of adjectives. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. 1. The positive degree. This is the simplest form of the adjective. We use this when we do not make any comparison. 2. The comparative degree. We use the comparative degree when we compare one object with another. 3. The superlative degree. We use the superlative degree when we compare one object with 2 or more other objects. Rule number 1. Most one-syllable and some of the two-syllable adjectives form the comparative degree by adding er to the positive form, and est to the superlative form. Examples: tall, taller, tallest, hard, harder, hardest, pretty, prettier, prettiest. Rule number 2. Adjectives of more than two syllables are formed by using the prefix more to form the comparative, and most to form the superlative. Examples: beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Rule number 3. Some adjectives do not have a comparison, except in colloquial usage. Examples: square, immaculate, unique, unanimous, perfect, round, absolute, correct, dead. Rule number 4. To denote a negative comparison, or the opposite, the adverbs less and least are used. Examples: successful, less successful, least successful, humorous, less humorous, least humorous, dangerous, less dangerous, least dangerous. Rule number 5. Some adjectives have irregular comparisons. The comparative and superlative are formed by a change in the words. Examples: good, better, best, many, more, most, bad, worse, worst.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.